For Pierce Westwood Academy, the West Prep magnet, celebrated their newly completed Learning Commons. As an emerging technology STEAM high school, the new Learning Commons reflects the digital learning opportunities available at West Prep. A grand renovation of the old Media Center, the new Learning Commons provides flexible seating, collaborative workspaces, a Makerspace, and an Esports Gaming Lab.
Well, today is a very special opportunity for Pierce Westwood Academy, where we open up our Learning Commons. Learning Commons was an opportunity to bring innovative, creative, and collaboration to our new space, a part of the MSAP grant that we received 3 years ago. So this is one of the new features that we are unveiling today to some of our community leaders who are here, our teachers, and our students who are participating in the demonstrations today.
The West Prep invited community members and business partners on a tour of the new facility. Students and instructors enthusiastically presented their projects and works in progress.
Actually, what really happened is that we opened up the doors for our Panthers that have completely endless opportunities. We're so excited. I can't even speak properly. I'm so excited about the opportunities that are coming for the students.
We used to have normal wheels and then the Omni wheels, but now we have full sets of Omni wheels, so we can hit 360s and make full circles, and we go faster as well.
We also learned our weight problem.
St. Lucie Public Schools was awarded the highly competitive MSAP federal grant in 2017. Fort Pierce Westwood Academy is in their second year of implementation. They have innovative, relevant, and engaging programs such as pharmacy tech, robotics and engineering, agri-technology, exercise science, and veterinarian assistant.
We're one of the 3 high schools in the nation that are being recognized for the distinct honor of the STEM Excellence Award.
Their newest program, Esports Gaming, comes complete with a gaming lab and membership in the Florida Scholastic Esports League.
If you're interested, please come on, call us, come visit. We do tours as well. We'll love to have you. These are innovative programs that are just here at West Prep.